if it no longer makes you happy?
You happy. Uh, if have any other opportunities to do, you can go for it. Either don't leave your job uh, before you get any other.
Okay. Mhm. And
Do you get me?
yeah, Sayed, I got you. It's crystal clear. You're talking about, yes, if it is not no longer makes you happy, you can quit the job. But before that, you have to get a new job. Before leaving your old job, you have to get a new job. Because if you leave suddenly, if you quit suddenly, it will be difficult to find your job, which will going to make you happy. I got you, Sayed. But this is how
Yes,
you have to explain. You are explaining in 1 to 2 sentences. Please elaborate your opinion while saying it.
that's my point. What you said.
Okay. Okay, Saeed. And in the next session, tomorrow, if you are going to join my session, again, practice whatever you are going to share with us, please explain in a clear manner, as if I explain what you are trying to say. Right, Saeed?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, Saeed, for joining my debate. Now it's a stranger's turn. Hello, stranger. Welcome to my voice room. Are you a student or working?
I am unemployed. Good evening, everyone.
Oh, your voice sounds similar. I think you have already joined my session before.
Yeah, you are right.
Are you Shelly?
No,
Okay, so who you are?
I am stranger for everyone.
Okay, stranger, what happens to you? You have changed your name. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, stranger, I got you. So can you please share your opinion on today's debate topic? I just pin it down for you guys in the comment box. Is it okay to quit something if it no longer makes you happy? Please explain along with the example. I don't want yes or no question.
Okay, where is the topic? Could you repeat once again?
It's written in the comment box. I just pin it down for you. Is it okay to quit something if it no longer makes you happy?
Okay, it is my opinion. If you don't happy, then definitely we should quit that job. Second thing, if you want to tell about professional life, and if you want to do any
Mhm.
kind of work, and if you think that work never give you satisfaction to what you want to do, then we can get another job before quitting that job. And if you tell about satisfaction or happy, then it has so different kind of happiness and satisfaction. We cannot we cannot equal to everything, right? If you want to do any kind of job, you like or dislike doesn't matter, but you have to focus earning source, right? Because if you quit that job, you never generate earning source. That's why we have to like or dislike, that is also doesn't matter, but we have to do that kind of, or satisfaction is a different thing. Because you get a handsome
Mm.
salary, 6 digit figure, or 5 digit figure, or you don't satisfaction that job, then you cannot do it.
Mhm.
Because you don't have different option on your hand. You don't satisfaction, that is
Mhm.
a different part. Because no one can get according to their desire, right?
Mhm.
No one can get
Okay.
something. We get a different work also, and we don't like, but we have to do that work, right? And
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Well said, stranger. Stranger, whenever I'm speaking to you, my echo sound is coming from you. I think you have just connected some kind of a Bluetooth device. Whatever I am speaking, I'm getting my
Mm-hmm.
back. Can you please mute yourself, stranger? Well said, by the way. Excellent, stranger, for sharing your opinion. Hope you will join my session tomorrow as well. Let me tell my timings for the new people who have just joined my session. It's 7 to 8 o'clock. Okay, thank you so much, Saeed and Stranger. You two people are new to my voice, and thank you so much for joining my session. Well said. You have well explained this topic, Stranger. Excellent. So let me conclude today's debate topic by sharing two of the side. Okay, in the first side, I'm going to share the situation of yes, it is okay to quit something which will no longer makes you happy. For example, if something is making you unhappy or stressed, so quitting it can protect your peace of mind. Okay, we change as we grow. Okay, have you seen we usually change as we grow up. Okay, what suited us once may not suit us now. So quitting can lead us to better opportunities. For example, if a software engineer quits a high paying job to become a teacher because he finds more meaning and happiness in teaching, because he doesn't worry about earning a lot of money as a software engineer. So for example, a software engineer quits a high paying job to become a teacher because he finds more meaning and happiness in teaching. Okay, in the second side, I'm going to discuss no, quitting shows a lack of commitment. For example, life is not always easy. Sometimes we need to push through difficulties instead of quitting. Okay, so working through tough times can build a good character. For example, a student struggling in medical school continues continues studying hard and finally becoming a successful doctor. If she had quit, she would have missed her dream. So in this particular situation, quitting will not make you happy. Okay, for example, me as well. At the first year of engineering, I was finding software, this computer science engineering really tough. But I didn't quit. I was about to quit, because it was really tough to study. But I didn't quit. So this make me complete and being a successful person because I didn't quit because it's no longer makes me happy. But I continue it. I completed my graduation. So in the conclusion, I just wanted to tell you that quitting is not always a sign of weakness. It can be a wise decision sometimes when done for the right reason. Because I have done with the right reason. If something is harming you, your mental peace, your happiness, your growth, at the time it's okay to walk away as long as the decision is thoughtful and not based on temporary emotions. So what matters most is finding a balance between persistence and peace. Okay, if it is making you a peace of mind, then you can, for peace of mind,